say from the Electrification Coalition, are focused on reducing the demand for energy and minerals by using new technology to move people and goods safely, affordably, and cleanly.
It's time. Right now we know that the Inflation Reduction Act, the infrastructure law, it's bringing billions of dollars of private sector investment into America.
I'm telling people from the inside that this is completely doable. We're going to do it, and we're going to hit our goals ahead of time. And this is a nonpartisan issue.
We are at this amazing moment right now. We are going to create a manufacturing backbone in the United States. We're going to reshore rather than offshore.
My administration has been laser focused on clean energy and clean transportation. It's the right thing to do to protect our planet and also the right thing to do for our economy and our people.
So I'm all in the EV space. It is inevitable that the electric car is going to be the dominant way to drive in the next 50 years.
It's stimulating incredible action. It's reshoring and building manufacturing capacity. It's creating circular opportunities where we're getting set up to recycle this next generation of vehicles. And then it's also stimulating private sector investments at staggering levels.
A product that I think is actually crucial for consumer choice, crucial to the American economy. We have to get EVs right.
Energy policy, transportation policy, air quality, climate are converging together.
Maybe if we zoom out just for a second, EVs, I think are an energy security product because of the diverse energy use that they can provide. We touched on that, but they're only as secure as our ability to make them.
I argue that ultimately we will prevail, but let's not make no mistake about the disparity of where we are in relation to China. We have walked while China's been running. Now what we have to do as China is running is we have to sprint to catch up.
SAFE believes that we can go from a fossil world to a minerals-based world, but the time frame and the interim years matter. We need to think holistically to find exponential gains.